fried chicken. Get your oil. Go ahead and turn that guy on. Let it warm up. And then you're going to add your milk. Give that a good whisk until it's fully beaten. And you can add salt and pepper to this if you'd like. Then you're going to need a ziplock baggie, and you're going to want about 2 cups of flour, 3 cups if you're doing a fair amount of chicken. Alright, so I'm using meat tenderizer, some steak rub, and some Lari. So you want to put the seasoning in and shake it up before you put your chicken in. You're going to take your chicken, you're going to dip it all into the egg, and then you're going to put every piece into the bag of flour and shake it up. Okay, so you want to make sure all of your pieces of chicken are fully coated, and then you can pop them into the oil. That chicken is looking good. So here is mine. Here is my husband's, and it turned out great. Please like and follow, subscribe for more food videos.